Commodity trading, a simple guide. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to dive into an interesting and important topic in the financial world: commodity trading. If you've ever wondered what it is and how it works, you're in the right place. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just curious about finance, this video will help you understand the basics of commodity trading. So, let's get started. Commodity trading involves the buying and selling of commodities. Commodities are basic goods or raw materials that are used to make other products. Examples include oil, gold, wheat, and coffee. Unlike stocks or bonds, commodities are tangible. You can touch and feel them. In commodity trading, traders aim to make a profit by predicting market prices and buying or selling accordingly. It's a key part of the global economy, impacting prices we pay for goods every day. Commodities are generally classified into two main types: hard commodities and soft commodities. Hard commodities. These are natural resources that must be mined or extracted. Examples include oil, gold, and natural gas. They are often used as indicators of economic health. Soft commodities. These are agricultural products or livestock, such as wheat, coffee, sugar, and pork. Their prices can be highly volatile due to factors like weather and seasonal changes. Trading commodities can be done in several ways, but the most common are futures contracts and spot trading. Futures contracts. These are agreements to buy or sell a commodity at a predetermined price at a specific time in the future. They are used to hedge against price changes or to speculate. Spot trading. This involves the immediate buying or selling of a commodity for instant delivery. The price is based on the current market rate, known as the spot price. Understanding these methods is crucial for anyone involved in commodity trading. Commodity trading is vital for several reasons. 1. It helps in price discovery, providing signals about supply and demand. 2. It allows for risk management, especially for those who produce or use commodities. 3. It contributes to economic growth by facilitating trade and investment in essential goods. I hope this video has given you a clear understanding of what commodity trading is and why it's such a crucial part of our global economy. Whether you're looking to get into trading or just wanted to learn something new, remember that knowledge is power. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.